Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, Bluetooth setting guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys which earbud guys you have connected with your Samsung phone and guys you want to disconnect it in your Samsung phone. So guys, how can you disconnect it? In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to guys disconnect it? Guys, we will have to click on guys your phone setting. So guys, we will click here. Then guys, you can see this type of setting guys in your Samsung phone. So guys, first setting guys, you can see guys your connection settings. So guys, we will have to tap here. So guys, we will tap. Then guys, you can see guys your Bluetooth setting but device connected. So guys, tap here. Then guys, you can see guys this Python TWS guys connected for call and audio. And guys, you want to disconnect to your phone. So guys, how can you disconnect guys? Right side guys, you can see this icon, setting icon. Guys, tap here. Guys, you can see disconnect, unpair and rename option. So guys, you want to disconnect? Yes, we want to disconnect guys. Then guys, this earbud will disconnect to your phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect, how to disconnect guys earbud to our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.